Good evening and welcome. Let's take a look at our top story. We've been tracking the outbreak of the coronavirus across the world. We've brought you ground reports from Wuhan. But now the focus is on one question. Is the coronavirus a biological weapon? The question has been doing the rounds for a while now. It's been on our radar. Now the claim is that the coronavirus is a weapon made by China and that the virus leaked out of a laboratory. Now, so is it true? Was the coronavirus made in a laboratory? Did someone release it just to cause harm? Let's begin with the claim and its origins. British newspaper The Daily Mail was among the first to report this story. There is a lab in Wuhan close to the animal market, and the newspaper suggested that the virus could have leaked from there. The same report claims that the SARS virus also leaked from a lab in Beijing. Another report, this one from the Washington Times, takes this theory a step further. It goes on to claim that the coronavirus could have originated in a lab. The story quotes an Israeli biological warfare analyst. More such reports followed, and they only fueled speculation. One such report says that the virus can be traced back to Canada, and that 2 Chinese agents smuggled the coronavirus from Canada to China. At the center of all these claims is the Wuhan National Biosafety Laboratory. It's a level 4 lab. It was built to study diseases like Ebola and SARS. It conducts research on deadly viruses. And it is barely 32 kilometers from the Hunan seafood market, which has been confirmed as the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak. All reports suggest that the virus actually leaked from this facility, from this laboratory. Now, at this point, all such reports are in the realm of conjecture. There is no credible evidence to back them, and several experts have dismissed these claims as misinformation and conspiracy theories. Let's take these theories one by one. First, did the virus originate from a laboratory? While there is no scientific evidence to prove this, 2 agencies, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention and the World Health Organization, are investigating this outbreak. None of them have called the coronavirus a biological attack. They have traced the origins of this virus back to a seafood and animal market in Wuhan, not to a laboratory. Number 2, did the virus originate in Canada, more specifically from Canada's National Microbiology Laboratory, or the NML? Now, reports say that in March of 2019, a mysterious shipment of exceptionally deadly viruses from this Canadian lab ended up in China. Scientists from Canada said the viruses were potential bioweapons. 4 months later, a group of Chinese virologists, later called Chinese agents, were expelled from this lab. Now, did they smuggle the virus? Again, experts have dismissed this claim. The reports name a Chinese woman called Zee eioqL, and she was working in the Canadian lab. The government of Canada has been reported as dismissing the report. Yes, the Chinese researcher was removed from the Canadian lab, but she wasn't charged with anything. And some reports say that there were issues with her paperwork and protocol. So there's nothing concrete yet to link the virus to the lab, but questions hang. And for a change, the questions bothered the Chinese government enough for them to issue a clarification. China, uncharacteristically, has even issued a denial. Now, guess who else jumped in? The Russian media. They have their own theory. They have accused the United States of triggering this outbreak in Wuhan. They too call the coronavirus a biological weapon, only that it was created by America to target China.